we're here. Galing kami sa baba and then turn left, follow the crowd. Dito kami diretso, arrivals. Just follow the sign. Oh.
Wow, follow the sign.
Follow the sign. Wala nang tausis talaga namang arrivals. Okay. Guys, hindi na ata pwede dito. So here they will scan your passport and your QR from Japan Web or similar to e-travel. So after immigration, we will go down to get our luggages at the baggage claim area. So check mo dyan kung anong number. So hanapin mo kami ay number 2. Dito kami lumabas after baggage claim and custom, and then you can head up to the second floor using that escalator or elevator to withdraw and purchase your iCoca card. Ito yung sign, dyan kayo papasok. So guys, tatawid kayo. Galing kami doon. Yan, tatawid kami dyan. Diyan kami bumili ng separate ticket for the train aside sa iCoca card. So we could guarantee a seat. Kasi almost 50-minute ride to Namba and ayaw naman namin tumayo. Diyos ko, pagod na kami. Ayan, ng ticket. And diyan kayo papasok at bababa para sumakay ng train. Ayan, emote pa si Zez. Pero yan yung itsura ng train and may CR pa siya sa loob.